We've got a special Mustang, extra special Mustang today. This is known as a 64 and a half. This is one of the early Mustangs. It's titled as a 65, but it's so early, it's a 1964 and a half is how it's referred to. There's unique features about it. So aside from that, factory raven black with a factory white interior. Stunning color combination. It was born this way. When we're under the hood, you're going to see a V8 4-barrel engine, air conditioning, power steering, and it has power disc brakes. Automatic trans with the console. So this is a loaded up, clean car. I got this as part of a 4-car collection from a collector. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale. There's about 200 of them right now, along with a monthly finance payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so black doesn't hide anything, and fortunately, this has nothing to hide. This body is straight. I mean, laser beam straight, not a ripple, not a wave. Looking down both sides of the car, it is straight. The roof has no issues. All the body lines are square and flush and straight. Fits very nicely. So it's a factory Raven black. It has the tag in the door, and you can tell it's an old original tag. It's not a new shiny reproduction. No vinyl top. The paint is buffed and polished right now like a mirror. It is like looking into glass. I can see the reflection. You can read a newspaper in this reflection. Now, that's not to say there might not be a few flaws. There's a piece of paint that like flaked off right there. It's touched up. I mean, you'd have to look, but here's like a little bump in the paint. So there are going to be some minor imperfections, but I'm telling you what, it looks like glass. Body's excellent, no rust, no damage, all down low. It's smooth, fits very nicely. No issues there. Window rattled a little bit. You know how you fix that? You roll it up just a touch. Now it's in between the channel there. No more window rattle. Here's a little cracking in the paint on this fender here. I didn't even notice before, but there's a little area where there's some imperfections in the paint. But it is beautiful. All the chrome and trim. Here's a hairline crack. It literally looks like a hair right there, or a scratch. But all the chrome and trim is sparkling, has the correct antenna. Probably a good original windshield. There is some faint wiper marks, a little chip in the glass here or there. The vent window frame looks nice with just a minor little bit of pitting. The stainless trim is all very nice. You know, the chrome right there is very nice. Tires look like they're new. They're tiger paws. They got wire wheel hubcaps with spinners on them. Stunning black with white. Tail lights. Bumper look real nice. Gas cap looks new. Has the GT dual exhaust coming through the rear valance with the stainless louvered tips. So why don't we open it up? Got a lot more to show you. Well, the trim is shiny and straight. There is one little dent right there. Now inside the trunk, painted neatly. Weather strip is replaced. But someone's completely carpeted inside the trunk. Look at that, nice bound edges. They did the sides and the whole shebang. Carpeted the spare tire. This is an extra set of floor mats. There's mats in the car already. We have behind the seat. The whole thing's carpeted. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the videos are posted. You can text the word new to 844-592-2431, and you'll be notified when new arrivals hit our website. The door jambs look clean. Weather strips look to be real good. Now again, this is a factory-born white interior. Door panels, armrests look new. The dash pad has been replaced. And you probably noticed it has a complete set of custom white face gauges. They're electronic. There's a tachometer. A retro stereo fills the factory hole. Glove box door looks new. The light works, the liner's new. The lights work under the dash. Kick panels are real nice. I said it has floor mats in here already. New carpet. This is the factory Ford AC unit. Center console's really nice looking. Has seat belts for the front passengers. I guess we don't worry about the back seat. Actually, they weren't a law until 3 years later. The seats have been recushioned. They're nice and plump, reupholstered, no wrinkles. Backs of the seats are upholstered. Everything back here looks beautiful. Side panels look to be in great shape. Headliner is excellent. It's a white headliner. It might be original because it's like an off-white, a little bit yellowed, but there's not a tear or a rip. Same with the visors. They match the headliner. There's a day and night mirror. I'm going to guess the steering wheel's new. The chrome sparkles, the white wheel. It looks to be in mint shape. So we'll call it a very nice interior. We also have a Buy It Now button next to each car. If you see something you like, just hit the button and get it locked in before someone beats you to it. It happens all the time. Now we got a lot of good stuff under here. It is a D in the VIN number, which means it was a 260 V8 4-barrel. Now the sticker says 289. Very hard to tell on a Ford without taking it apart, so it may be a 289 motor. It does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Looks like the whole distributor ignition system is new. Now in 1964, would have a generator, not an alternator. That's one of the differences. This one's been rebuilt. The engine bay is nice and clean. And then down here, here's another difference on the 64.5. See these vents? That allows air to cool the battery. Once they went to an alternator, apparently they didn't need that because there was no longer vents. This has an aluminum radiator upgrade. The AC system has been completely redone, has an upgraded compressor. Factory power steering with this remote reservoir. Has the washer fluid bag. The squirters are hooked up. Upgraded power brakes with a dual reservoir. Back then they were still a single reservoir. That's much safer. So you got a V8 4-barrel air, power steering, power brakes. That's all good stuff. And one other little thing I'm going to show you. This is on the 64.5 only. See this little sharp edge? Yeah, if you walk into that, you're going to cut your head. They folded this in 65. So this has the unique characteristics of a 64.5. So underneath the car is very respectable. The floors look to be solid and in great shape. Front end components, they don't look brand new, but they certainly look like they've been replaced not that long ago. The bushings and components and steering all look real good. The power steering control valve, that does look brand new, that whole assembly. Dual exhaust system looks new. Fuel tank doesn't look brand new, but I'm sure it's been replaced. It's pretty darn clean. The rear shocks do look brand new. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It has the correct screw-on canister fuel pump. Correct starter looks nice and clean. The C4 automatic transmission looks spotless. I'm going to assume that was out recently. That looks just like brand new, actually. So yeah, underneath this car is in really good condition. Again, this is a special car. It's a 64.5. Factory raven black with white interior. I think they went to like a parchment interior later on. This is white. It's a V8 4-barrel car. It's air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your garage, how you can get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.